Hello, I'm Rashmi from Manleo. Our customer Mr. A is into machining automotive components. Their components challenge was to measure the bore or find the center. Using paper or dials, this used to take anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes per workpiece. Their lesser skilled operators used to struggle and take even 10 minutes sometimes. Error of 30 to 50 microns was a normal thing using paper and dials. Does this sound similar to what you go through every day? Based on a friend's reference, Mr. A called us to give a demo of our Manleo probes and tool setup. With our probe, their operator was able to take center in less than 1 minute, and as operator got more confident about probe, he was able to do this in 30 seconds. Per workpiece they were saving minimum 2 minutes, and Mr. A was producing 100 parts per day, that is more than 3 hours saved. Their machine hourly rate is 400 per hour, that is 1200 plus per day savings. By investing 24,000 rupees in probes, with 1,200 per day saved, they recovered their investment in less than 1 month. Do you also want to experience freedom and peace of mind like Mr. A? Then contact us at sales@manleo.com or visit our website www.manleo.com. Manleo will be happy to be part of your journey.